Today we'll set up an ERPNext stack inside Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. We are using a custom image that includes the latest ERPNext and the NextPOS printing app. All the details, including files and links, will be in the description. Let's log into our server. Here we have our Docker Compose file and a custom script to create a site inside the backend container. We also have our .env file with all the environment variables. Let's run Docker Compose. Oh, I'm missing my .env file there. Let's fix that. Now let's take a look at our running containers. Okay, next we'll run our script to create a site. Let's open Portainer on port 9000 and log into the backend container console. We'll quickly set our site as the default site. Now we will install ERPNext. It's already baked into our image. Next we'll install our custom app, NextPOS Printing. With all apps installed, let's run a migration. I also like to clear the cache after this step. Now let's confirm everything is installed. Our ERPNext site should be running on port 8080. That's looking promising already. I'll need my admin password to log in. These are the standard installation steps you'd follow with any ERPNext site, so skip. Looks like everything is done. Let's check the about section. We should see ERPNext, Frappe, and NextPOS all listed. Now let's look at our custom dock tab NextPOS settings. We'll be filling this out shortly, but first let's set up the POS system. Okay, let's RDP into the POS system that has the printer and cash drawer connected. We'll set up the thermal printer in Windows using a generic driver on a virtual port since it's connected via USB. We will call the printer receipt. Let's do a quick test print to make sure it's working. Okay, now let's install QZ tray on the POS system. This is required for printing receipts and sending open cash drawer commands. At the moment, we only support Epson printers and drawers connected directly to the printer. Okay, let's log into ERPNext so we can continue the setup. I'll need my password again. Back to our dock type settings. First, let's download the certificate and import it into QC Tray. Now let's add our default printer receipt. Keep this option enabled, it makes things easier. Number of copies stays at 1. Receipt width depends on your printer. Printer mappings, we'll come back to this after creating a POS profile. Let's add a header for the receipt. And something for the footer as well. Now these are the cut modes. Use the one that works best for your printer. We'll use full cut. We also want the drawer to open immediately after each print. If your drawer doesn't work by default, you can configure the drawer pins here. All of this stays as is. Let's create a new POS profile. We'll name it Cashier 1, Warehouse, Stores. Let's quickly add a test customer. Default payment method cash. We'll allow all item groups. Leave the print settings untouched, otherwise they will conflict with our app. For rounding and account option, select round off and main. And that's it. Our POS profile is done. Okay, let's add a test item. All item groups. Use anything, any numbers here for now. Now let's update our printer mappings. Select the cashier profile we created earlier and add the printer receipt. That's about all we need. Okay, let's open the point of sale now. If you don't see all these buttons, force reload the page. Let's do a quick test sale. Before completing, let's print a draft receipt. Click this button to print it. Now once we complete the order, it should automatically print the receipt and open the drawer. This button here overrides the default ERPNext button. And this one prints the last receipt. And that's it. We have set up ERPNext with Docker, installed the NextPOS printing app, and tested the POS with a printer and cash drawer. Please like, comment, and share your feedback. It helps us improve this app. Cheers, and thank you for watching.